Hey there, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how you can withdraw Sweetcoin money to PayPal. It's very easy, so let's see how you can do it very easily. For this, first open your Sweetcoin app. After opening the Sweetcoin app, you will see this option. Confirm this is the latest version of Sweetcoin. Now, from here, go to account section, then from here select the profile icon from the top left, then select settings icon and then come to help. Now here you will see an option, can I cash out my Sweatcoin to PayPal or my bank account. Right now this at this moment it's not possible to cash out Sweatcoin via PayPal bank transfer. So what you have to do, go back to the home page and select the shop icon, then you will see this page. Now scroll down from here, then go to PayPal gift card, and that's how you can withdraw Sweatcoin money to PayPal. Right now this is the only way to do it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give a like and subscribe for more videos.